be a link in the description. Please click on that link and you will get like this type of interface. You have to write here your language, which will you prefer, like Hindi, English, Spanish, French, whichever you like. You have to click here on English and then you have to decide which language you want. I want English language, so I will click on that. And the second option is that mobile number. So from which country you are, like you are from Spain, you are from French, you are from France, sorry, you are from America, you are from United Kingdom. It depends on you. So you have to select the code from which country you are. So you have to click here. I am from India, that's why I select here India. I write here India and then confirm. So guys, first you have to write the code of your country. Next guys, you have to write your mobile number. After writing your mobile number, you have to click here, that is send verification code. When you click here, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number which you added here. So you have to write here that verification code, then you have to click here on next step. So guys, after clicking on the next step, you will get an interface like that. Here you have to log in. So for login, you have to click here the language which you want. That is, I want English language, so I select here English. And next you have to write your mobile number, which mobile number that you entered while registration. After entering that mobile number, you have to put here your password, your 6 to 16 digit passwords, whatever you want to write, you will write here. Then you have to click here on login. So guys, after clicking on login, you will get this type of interface like world over the count. So guys, first of all, let us discuss about this platform, that is world over the count limited. So let us discuss about this, about us, world over the count limited. With the rapid development of the digital economy in 2018, boring work is no longer the whole of people's income. This is about that platform, that is WOTC, that is, यहाँ पर देख लो, world over the count limited, WOCL. So let's start and let's begin with the website. So guys, this is the website of world over the count, that is WOC. So here you will WOTC. So here you will get more options. That is, first option is about WOTC. After clicking on this about WOTC, here you will get a whole blog about this platform. So guys, if you want to learn more and more about this platform, then you can click here. You will get all information. Then this is the second option, that is rules. After clicking on this, you will get the rules of this platform, that what are the rules, how to invest, how to withdraw, how you will get profit, and different things are there on this option, that is rules. And this is the third option, that is download app. Here you can download your app. Third is that certifications. Here you will get the certification from many different big industries which give this company the legality to work in entire market. So these are some certifications you can see.
Third is language. You can transfer your language, like you have to change your language from English to Spanish or French. Then you can click on language and you can change it. Fourth and sixth is, that is customer care. So customer care is very important option here. If you want to discuss about something, if you have any queries about withdrawal process or deposit process or anything else in the entire website, then you can click here on customer care and you can learn and you can ask any questions from this online customer service. And the seventh option is notice. Here you can see all the announcements which are coming on the latest on this website. First, see this, each user's first deposit of more than 50 USDT will get a 5% discount on the deposit amount. If you deposit here 50 USDT, then you will get 5% discount on the deposit amount. Like if you invest here 50 USDT, if you recharge here 50 USDT, your first deposit is 50 USDT, then you will get here 5% discount on deposit amount.
You have to pay 5% less on your 50 USDT. I think you will understood this. Now see here, join WOTC. This is join WOTC. I think I tell you about this, that if you click here you will get all information about this platform. And the last but not the least, this is fund. See here, transaction notification. There are many people from different numbers who are earning this much profits in every second. So you can also earn. Let us start the video. First of all, see here, this is transaction hall. So you have to click here on transaction hall. Here you have to invest, and let's see, I am going to invest here $100. And after investing $100 within 3 to 4 hours, here I will get $4. Here I will get $4 as a profit, and I will withdraw all the money in front of you. So guys, wait for the end. So I will click on there on mine. After clicking on mine, I'll see here like my name, that is Sakshi. My invitation code is 66910. There are two options, that is recharge and withdraw. You can recharge by clicking here, you can withdraw by clicking here. First of all, see this, there are many options in my account, that is personal information, recharge records, withdrawal records, details of fund, identity authentication, team incomes, invite your friends. So let us discuss about these options also. First, you have to click on personal information. After clicking on personal information, here you have to write your nickname. Then here you have to write your mobile number. Here, if you want to modify your password, login password, then you can do it. And last but not the least, last withdrawal address. Guys, here you have to paste your USDT TRC20 network address. TRC20 network address of USDT you have to paste here of Binance. From Binance you can paste here. Then you have to click on back. After clicking on back, you can see here the recharge records, the withdrawal records. I will show you that I recharged here of $75 and which is showing here, right? So I will show you my withdrawal records. I withdraw here from 75 USDT also, so it is also shown here, guys. And here you will get all the information about your fund. So guys, basically what is there in identity authentication, here you have to upload your selfie, your current selfie, and then it will be under review, and it will be verified within 3 to 4 minutes. And here you will get your team incomes, like you will refer someone this platform and someone will register from your link, then you will get here a profit.
And last but not the least, this is invite your friends. You have to click here and you have to copy. This is your invitation code and this is your link. Here you have to copy and then send it to your friends so that they can join from your referral link and you will earn a commission. First level, you refer it to A, and from A you will get here 15% of commission. A refer it to B, from B you will get here 10% of the commission, and B refers to C. From C you will also get here 5% of commission. So referral income is also very high on this platform. So guys, I hope you will know all the information from here. I hope कि आपको सारी चीजें यहाँ पर समझ में आ गई होंगी. So last but not the least, let's start here on recharging process. So first of all, we have to click on this recharge. After clicking on this recharge, see here the minimum amount is $10, but I will deposit here $100 to show you how much the profit we'll gain from this platform. So we have to copy here. After copying here, we have to open our Binance account. I hope you all have your
Binance account. If you don't have, then you can make your Binance account, because you have to deposit here 100 USDT. First of all, what you have to do, you have to click on USDT, then you have to click on withdrawal, then send via crypto network. Then you have to place here the address which you copied from that platform where we have to deposit 100 USDT, and then you have to click here. We have to select the network, that is Tron TRC20. So here I selected the address, that is Tron TRC20, and here I have to deposit 100 USDT. So guys, let's see. I wrote here 100 USDT, but here receiving amount is showing 99 USDT. So I have to write here 101 USDT. Then I will receive here 100 USDT in my website. So now I have to click on withdrawal. I clicked on withdrawal. Then we have to confirm here. After confirming, code will be sent to this number, because this is my number. So here I have to click on send code. Then we have to enter the codes here and then click on submit. So guys, here I put all the codes and then I will click on submit. So here I clicked on submit button, and now withdrawal is processing. I have to click on view history, and now I clicked on view history. See here guys, 100 USDT is in processing. So after 2 or 3 minutes, we will receive our 100 USDT on that platform. So let's open that website. So guys, see here USDT of 100 which we withdraw here is now completed. So let's open our website. So here I open our website and now we will refresh here. So guys, let's see. देखिए my total assets is here 100 USDT. So I deposited here 100 USDT, and now let's see the recharge records which I recharged here. First I recharged here 75 USDT, and now just recent I recharged 100 USDT here from Binance account. So now let's click on home. After clicking on home, I think I discussed every options with you, like about WOTC rules, app, certification, language, customer service, everything I discussed about this platform. So now click on transaction hall, that is here. Click on transaction hall. After clicking on transaction hall, see my total assets is 100 USDT, and now I have to trade here. So now I have to trade here. Nothing you have to invest in any coin, just you have to click here and click on all. So I clicked on all, and now I start here, click on start filtering. So click on start filtering. I added start filtering, so wait for some time. Let's see guys. So let's see here, cryptocurrency AVAX MSB certified service provider world over the count limited. That is our platform, our website platform, where we are going to do this. So amount of order is 100 USDT. So now we have to click here, see USDT trading price is 17.45 and transaction price is 17.5. so we have to click here start trading, and let's see, we have clicked here on start trading. Now it's loading in transaction. So guys, see here, earning and funds will be automatically deposited in your account after 3 hours. Our profit will automatically deposited in our account, that is 100.4. that is our profit will be here 0.40, and it will automatically deposited in our account within 3 hours. So guys, just wait for 3 hours here. Click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you have to do nothing, you have to just wait for 3 hours. So come on guys, let's see. After 3 hours, I again opened my application, I again opened my website in which I deposited 100 USDT before, and in which I made a task of 100 USDT. Let's see how much profit we gained here and how can we withdraw it again to our Binance account and then to our bank account. So guys, let's see here. Click on this transaction hall. Again, I clicked on the transaction hall. So guys, we all remember that we all deposited here 100 USDT and now our asset is 100.400. So that means here we get a benefit of 0.400 USDT, 0.400 USDT. Here we get a benefit of, because there were only 100 USDT in our website, and after completing the task that we done before 3 hours, here we get 100.400. So this is our profit, that is 0.40 is our profit. So here automatically it comes in our account. So here we have to withdraw it. So guys, for withdrawing, first of all you have to click on withdraw. After clicking on withdraw, let's see, clicking on withdrawal, then we have to click here 100.40 USDT, and 3% is our handling fee as I am withdrawing my funds. So 3% is deducted from my capital, and now we get only 97.388 USDT, and we have to put here the login password which we added before while registering, and then click on submit. So guys, let's see, I clicked on submit button and withdrawal is now success. So see here, there is 000 fund in our account, and within 3 to 4 minutes, let's see here in Binance account we'll get our fund. So guys, wait for 4 minutes. So guys, see here in my Binance account, I get my USDT, that is 97.388 USDT. Within 2 or 3 minutes, you will instantly get your fund back in your Binance account. Then after that, I have to withdraw this fund, that is 97.388 USDT in my bank account. So what we have to do is, we have to go on funding. See here, funding. After clicking on funding, then we have to go on P2P, that is person to person trading. We will withdraw our USDT in INR, then we have to transfer it in my bank account. I have to just transfer it in my bank account. What I have to do is click on selling. After clicking on selling button, what I have to do is click on filter. Then after that, I have to click here, that is 97 USDT I have to do, right? 97 USDT, that is approx 5,000 rupees. I have to click here 5,000 rupees. Then what I have to do is click on sell button, then click here $97, then click here the payment in which I have to withdraw it. I will click on IM-Paste, then I will click on sell with zero fee. After clicking on this sell with zero fee button, the buyer will automatically transfer the whole fund, that is 8,072 INR, 8,072 rupees in your bank account, and you will instantly get that money. So this is the whole process from how we can earn from that website. So let's open our website. This is the whole process that how we can earn from this, that is WOTC. So I think this is the best platform to earn for short term. Then you can earn from this very well, and I think I performed a very good practical in front of you just because I deposited